Alright, good everyone. So welcome to Giant Launchpad tutorial. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to stake on Giant Launchpad. And it's quite easy. So I'm going to be showing you how it works. Alright. So of course, first of all, you have to go to your giantlaunchpad.com and then make sure if you're using your desktop, make sure that your MetaMask is active and can be accessed. And then what you need to do is either you click on connect wallet here or you connect here. So whichever one works best for you. So connect wallet. So because I've actually connected before, so it was easier to connect again. So, but I noticed that my data wasn't fetched. So let me just log out and do it again. So we connect our wallet. So make sure you choose MetaMask if you're using MetaMask. If it is Trust Wallet, choose Trust Wallet. So whichever wallet, you can search for your wallet to be able to find your own wallet and connect, or you can use this normal wallet. This will automatically connect to any wallet that is connected to your system. All right. So we click on MetaMask, and then there's a pop-up, and then you give it. There's a pop-up, then you give it permission, connect. Make sure you're connecting to the wallet that you want to connect to. So this is it. Now, like I've told you guys before, there are three major currencies that is operational in the Giant Launchpad. First of all is the Giant token, which is a native token, and then the Binance, BNB, and then USDT. These are the three. So these are the three major currencies that you can use to purchase any token in the Giant Launchpad. So once you have Giant token, you can purchase any token in the Giant Launchpad. If you have Binance, BNB, you can purchase any token in the Giant Launchpad. If you have USDT, you can purchase any token in the Giant Launchpad. So that's pretty much how it is. So, but today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to earn, how to stake and earn. So first of all, you can see I'm having about $38 worth of Giant token. So I'm going to be staking my Giant token, and I'm going to be staking just 120. First of all, you're going to see how many options is available for you to stake. How many tokens is available for you to stake. So you go to the earn. So you click on the earn section here, and then you see all the list. Now this is for testing purposes. You see all the list of the tokens, all the list of the staking that is available for you. This is testing B, so this is for test purposes. So you can see people already staked and they're earning something from it. So what I'm going to do right now is to stake. Now there are fixed and flexible staking. The fixed staking is periodical. This is where you can stake for a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, thereabout. The flexible staking is often staked for like an hour, 24 hours, 16 hours, 2 days. It's a shorter period of time, right? And then you're going to see the amount that you can be able to stake there. So first of all, let me go for the fixed staking. So you click here, and then authenticator, very, very important. Make sure you have authenticated your account. You've connected authentication to your account. That is very, very important. Without that, you won't be able to stake, right? You won't be able to stake. So you go to make sure you authenticate. This is very, very important. The authenticator is a very, very important aspect of the Giant Launchpad right now. So without you connecting, if you have not authenticated, you can't be able to buy, you can't be able to claim, you can't be able to do pretty much anything. This is another security measure. There's a powerful security measure that has been put into place. So we'll share. Jesus. All right. So without the authenticator, you can't be able to buy, claim, do pretty much sensitive things with the Giant Launchpad, and that's a beautiful one. This for security. One of the advantage of this authenticator app. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna blur it so you don't get to see my authenticator app, right? Not like you have my passphrase, but then again, I have to be careful. Now, one of the things you must understand is that if your account, maybe if by chance you happen to lose your passphrase, and then you had a lot of your projects staked, a lot of tokens staked here, maybe you stake some of your Giant token worth thousands of dollars, or no matter a couple of $100s, still a lot of money, and you stake them here. So even with you losing your passphrase, whoever that had access to your passphrase cannot be able to claim your token. Because once you activate it, the person will have to, get your authenticator app to be able to have access to it. And that's the beauty of it. The person won't be able to claim it. So if you notice that your wallet has been compromised and then you have some of your stakings on Giant Launchpad, just quickly come to Giant Launchpad and claim your stakings, to your wallet and move them out. Yeah. So this is it. So you need to first of all scan it. So open your authenticator app, any authenticator app you have, could be Google Authenticator, just whichever authenticator you have, just then provide scan. Okay, so I just scanned it. So here is my authenticator. So and yeah, so authenticator is successful. So now I can be able to do my staking. So I come to my staking here. So I'm going to be staking a little bit of just 120 Giant token. I'm going to be staking. So click on stake and it brings you the option to put your authenticator code. So you add your authenticator code. Make sure you do. So without your authenticator code, you won't be able to stake. Very important. And then you accept the terms and conditions that is needed, and make sure you have the amount of token on your wallet in order for you to be able to stake. So you click stake confirm, then you wait for the pop-up, so showing you everything. They're going to be withdrawing 120 Giant token, and the gas fee, of course, is pretty much nothing. So you approve, you wait again for final confirmation, Giant Launchpad, then you confirm, and 120 Giant token has been withdrawn from your account. And that is it. So you give it some time to load it up. Beautiful. As you can see, it has taken place. So we have staked. Okay, so once you have staked, now in order to see, this is the option that is left for you to stake as much as you want. So this option, you can stake as much as 120 GTANs one, just keep staking as much as you want. So now in order to see the tokens that you have staked, you have to go to my earning. Now remember, one important thing I didn't show you is that this is testing, right? This is a plan, it's a fixed plan. This is the currency you're using to stake. This is the 120, the amount of Giant token that you can be able to stake. This is the duration of time. It's a 24-hour. This is 1 day, so it's a 24-hour staking. So after 24 hours, you come and check you come and stake your staked token, and this is the percentage that is being staked. This is the percentage that you're going to be earning from staking this. So 0.1% of this is what you're going to earn back after 24 hours, right? This is a transaction hash. This is the status is active. If it's not active, you can't stake. Then if you want to see what you have staked, click on my earning. So you see, this is it. This is what I've staked. The staked amount, because of the gas fee and the charges, of course, what you're supposed to stake was around 20, but what you got was this. This is why you have to stake quite high. And then this is what interest you're going to be getting. So at the end of the day, you're getting this 0.1 interest. And then you have the right to also claim. Let's say, for example, you stake for 2 months and then you wanted to just unstake, you have the emergency unstaking. But if you waited till the time after 24 hours, you can be able to unstake it without seeing the emergency icon. So right now, if you're unstaking, it's considered as an emergency unstake, and then there's a fee you're going to pay for that. And then you can view what you've staked here. There's this little eye icon that is here. You can see just before the emergency unstake, and click it and see your plan, what you staked and everything, and deflation fee, everything, all the detail that is needed, reward time, so everything is there, and then you can just unstake whenever you're ready. It's pretty much that. It's no biggie. That is it. So So we have staked some Giant tokens. Of course, what we staked was not worth even up to $1, so it was just for testing to see how it works, and that's how your staking works. So get ready. Remember your authenticator. Don't mess around with it. Make sure it's one of the things that controls pretty much a lot of things right now. You're doing Giant Launchpad, and thank you. So see you some other time. Shalom.